What's up, guys? Welcome to another lesson. This was requested by Lewis in our Jooba People community. You can join the community and download the PDF for this lesson in the link in the description. This song uses only 4 different chord shapes and one picking pattern that's repeated throughout the whole song, exactly the same. A little bit tough, but it is quite, sorry for that, it is quite fun to play. And then 2 chord progressions throughout the whole song. A very beautiful B minor 7 add 13 chord, that's the second chord in the song. Whew, very beautiful chord, very creative writing here. It's a typical kind of indie way of writing where you have a picking pattern and some really intentional, creatively chosen chord shapes that work nicely. It's an open D tuning, although she does open D sharp tuning, so everything just up a half step without the capo, I believe. But we're going to just go straight open D and capo on the first fret here, so it sounds like that. All right, the first chord we're going to go through is a D over A chord. So that's basically a D chord with an A in the bass. So you put this finger on the 9th fret and this one on 7, like a power chord. All right, that's the first chord. Second chord is a B minor 7 add 13. So this would be the usual B minor chord. I meant the 9th fret here, but then they add that 13 relative to the root. So you can hear that note has tension pulling you back there. It's a normal B minor 7. Nice way of playing there, but anyway, so we add that 13 there. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful chord. And then we have this on the 5th fret. We have this G major 9 chord. So this finger bars, so you let that little bone pop out so that you bar those 2, and then the pinky goes here. And then exactly the same shape, you move up 2 frets for the A. And then later in the song we're going to do a B minor 7 chord, but this shape where you move up again to the 9th fret and pinky here on 12. And let me just correct that. Yep, so this is at 9th fret. Okay, now the hardest part, the picking pattern. So the picking pattern goes like this. We're going to divide it into 2 parts here. P-I-M and then P-A pinch. P-I-M. So that's the first 3 notes. And then you take the thumb down 1 and then pinch with P and A. So if you hold the first chord, it's like this. Pattern. So the A finger, the ring finger, is playing the 2nd string and the 1st string, but all the other fingers stay on, and the thumb is playing the first 2 notes. So you go P-I-M pinch, I-M. And the way to get this pattern up to speed is simply to keep playing it in a perfect timing, as slow as possible, and never sacrifice on timing. So never practice. You know what I mean? Always practice in time. So it's straight 8th notes the whole way. And you hear that little accent there. And I made those notes on the PDF that you actually count it like this. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3, because that's where you get the bass notes in the song. Although you don't want anything to stick out that much in the song. So it's 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. That second chord is just the most beautiful thing. So basically that's it. Now you can play the whole song, and there's not anything else about it. So let's just go through the 2 chord progressions of the song. We have the first one going, intro is just, and then verses, B minor 7, G, A, just repeats like that the whole time. Now if this G is too tough for you, which it might be, then you could just go to a G like this, and the A, do 3 in a row. It also sounds good. So G like this, so that's alternative ways to play that. When you get to the chorus, you're going up to the 9th fret, and you're going to do the B minor 7. Let's actually go to the chorus here. 1 2 3 4. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. I wanna kiss her again. I wanna witness your eyes looking. Very simple. So picking pattern, slow. Download the PDF. You don't have to do, but I mean, it will help. You could write these chords down as well. But download the PDF. Become a member at the Jooba people. Okay, have a nice day, and I will have a lesson on this picking pattern and also this tuning. Oh, well, I do have a whole series on this tuning. Not a series, but like a big workshop kind of thing, exploring this tuning, open D tuning, going through some songs and some popular chord shapes. But these are obviously new chord shapes that are very specific to Adrienne Lenker, and they're very, very nicely thought out patterns. And yeah, I'm going to have a nice picking pattern lesson on this specific pattern. Have a nice day. Goodbye.